Hello everyone, and welcome to this preview of the much talked about Sony A7 V. Today we're bringing you the latest update. Yes, the official release date has been confirmed. So let's dive in and see what this camera is all about, what's new, and why it matters. First up, the release timing. According to reliable sources, Sony plans to announce the A7 V in early December 2025, while Sony hasn't yet published an exact day in a press release. Several industry insider reports point to the first week of December as the announcement window. What this means for consumers: we should expect pre-orders to open shortly after announcement, with shipping or broader availability following in the weeks ahead. Now, let's talk about what we know about the camera's hardware and features, and what remains speculative. Sources say the A7 V will feature a full-frame sensor around 33 megapixels, or possibly slightly higher, along with improved in-body image stabilization, enhanced EVF resolution, and likely a fully articulating screen. On the video side, although Sony has not given full specs yet, rumors point to strong video chops, improved frame rates, possibly uncropped 4K at higher frame rates, and better autofocus with subject recognition. So while the A7 V is likely not a radical step change, it appears to bring meaningful refinements for hybrid shooters, photographers who also do serious video work. Why does this matter? For many content creators, bloggers, wedding shooters, even run-and-gun documentary teams, a camera that delivers strong stills and strong video in one body is extremely valuable. The A7 series from Sony has built a reputation for being a versatile, all-rounder full-frame mirrorless kit. With the A7 V, Sony seems to aim at consolidating that position. Also, consider the ecosystem. Sony's E-mount lens library is extensive, and if the body upgrades match expectations, investing in this new model might give you a platform that will remain relevant for years, rather than a stopgap. Of course, a few caveats. First, until Sony publishes the official specs, some of the details remain leaks or rumors, so treat the numbers as likely, but not guaranteed. Second, price has not been confirmed, though one source suggests a launch price in the neighborhood of €2,999. Third, for buyers, timing matters. If you're looking to upgrade now, you may decide to wait a little longer for the announcement to compare older gear, discounts versus the new offering. In short, if you're in need of a strong full-frame hybrid camera and can wait a few weeks, this could be a very good choice. If you need something immediately, the current A7 IV or equivalent may still serve you well. Now, before we move to the ending, let's talk about what you really want to know: the uses, the benefits, the features, and why the Sony A7 V stands out compared to other cameras. The A7 V is perfect for content creators, bloggers, wedding filmmakers, travel shooters, portrait photographers, product videographers, and anyone who needs one camera that can handle both photo plus video professionally. Hybrid performance, strong in photo and video, reliable Sony autofocus with AI tracking, great low light performance, stabilization ideal for handheld shooting, lighter and more compact than many competitors, huge lens ecosystem, Sony plus third-party. Standout features: expected 33 MP full-frame sensor, improved 7-axis stabilization, advanced eye tracking for humans, animals, and objects, better 4K video performance, articulating touchscreen for vlogging. The Sony A7 V outshines many competing cameras because of its speed, autofocus accuracy, low light capabilities, and Sony's unmatched ecosystem of lenses. Unlike other mid-range full-frame cameras, the A7 V offers a combination of high resolution plus strong video, lightweight body, professional autofocus, trusted Sony color science. This makes it one of the most balanced and reliable hybrid cameras available. So in summary, the Sony A7 V brings upgraded performance, smarter features, and the hybrid balance that creators love. With its official announcement just around the corner, this camera is looking like one of the most exciting releases of the year. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more upcoming camera updates. See you in the next video.